Welcome. If you want to change log method in your DOOGEE X55, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and right now tap on the security, click on the screen lock, and as you can see currently screen lock is swipe right, so we can change it for the pattern. So select the pattern, draw your pattern, click continue and draw it one more time, click confirm. And right now we can also set up the notification settings. So I think that I'm going to hide the sensitive content, click done, go back, and right now let's check how our log method has changed. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.